What happens when raw American muscle meets modern engineering? You get something that sounds like thunder and moves like a rocket. Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we take you deep into the aggressive soul of the Chevrolet Camaro SS. This isn't just a car. It's a rebellion on wheels, a legacy of burnouts, V8 growls, an unmatched street presence, and then, from the first glance, the Camaro SS announces itself without apology. It's low, wide, and unmistakably menacing. That long hood, sculpted sides, and tight rear give it the stance of a predator in motion, even when it's standing still. And when it moves, it doesn't just go, it lunges. And under the hood lies a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. That's old-school muscle blended with modern precision. Floor it, and the SS hits 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds. But this isn't about numbers. It's about the feeling. The growl from the quad exhaust tips is deep, angry, and mechanical. It's the kind of sound that turns heads from a block away. And handling has come a long way from the muscle cars of the past. The Camaro SS offers magnetic ride control, available performance suspension, and Brembo breaks that bite with authority. It's not just a straight-line beast. It corners, it grips, and it dances. Whether you're carving canyons or launching from a red light, the SS feels alive under your hands. And step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that wraps around the driver. Deep bucket seats hold you firm, and the flat-bottom steering wheel feels purposeful. The digital displays blend seamlessly with analog elements, giving you essential data with zero distractions. Every dial, every switch is built for the experience. Focused, not fancy. And then you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Bose premium sound system, and performance pages to monitor everything from G-forces to oil temp. But honestly, the music you'll love most comes from the V8 up front. That sound alone could sell this car. And it's not just built for thrills. It's built to last. Solid construction, a legacy of track success, and a price that undercuts many of its rivals. Whether you're taking it to a car meet or commuting to work, the Camaro SS fits both worlds with brute confidence. And NBUT, here's the truth. Cars like this aren't being made forever. The world's shifting, EVs are rising, and the era of big V8s is fading. That's why the Camaro SS feels more important than ever. It's a piece of history you can still touch, still hear, still drive. NNNO filters, no silence, just muscle, motion, and memories waiting to be made. It's not perfect. It's not soft. It's not supposed to be. It's a Camaro SS NNTHE, last of a dying breed.